indica. The prickly pear cactus, formerly known as Opuntia vulgaris. Originally from Mexico, this type of cactus is considered to be a noxious weed in Kenya, where this one was filmed, as the growing conditions in Kenya are perfect for it to proliferate, and if left unchecked, it can take over valuable cattle grazing ground. When ripe, the fruits seen here underneath the orange flowers turn an orangey red colour and are perfectly edible. Quick quiz, leave a comment if you can see how many bees there are in the flower on the right hand side. The prickly pear cactus prefers a semi-arid environment, warm temperatures in free draining soil, full sunshine with no frost. The leaves of this cactus are known as cladodes, and these too can be eaten as a vegetable. In Mexico, this is called nopalitos. The cladodes, or big fleshy pads, are also used as fodder for cattle in southern states of the USA. Although it can spread rapidly in the right conditions, if managed it makes an excellent security hedge because of its heightened spread, roughly 3 to 5 metres high and about the same wide, and it can also be strategically planted to help reduce soil erosion. If you enjoyed watching this, it'd be brilliant if you could click on the like button and hopefully subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.